So this is it. I'm finally getting my car towed one day later. Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. And today is a beautiful day because y'all hear all this noise behind me. We are at the track. We at Gingerman, no, not Gingerman. We had Grattan, excuse me. We had Grattan today. So it's a lot of cars out here, lots of Camaros mostly, but we have a lot here. So you have my car here, you got the SS1LE, you got another SS back here, you got plenty of Miatas back there, all back there, and there's one C8. There's a white C8 here too. So I want to see how that do on the track. So as you guys may know, or you may not know, I am full bolt on with E85, so now I'm trying to improve my times. Last time I was here, I think I was at a 134, but we're gonna try to improve that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and come on enjoy the day with me as we about to tackle this road course, baby. Oh yeah. And I f***ed my damn cat. I don't want to make this video, but I just have to just keep it 100 with you guys because this is the only way I can keep my stress levels down right now. So track day is over with. I had a good time. This is on day one. And as you guys can tell, like, you wonder why am I parked with the hood up at a lumber yard? Well, apparently this car here has officially, I think the tranny may be blown or whatever, because I wasn't drive. And all of a sudden, it would just rev up, and the RPMs would not move from 20, 30, or 40. I turn the car off, and then it starts working.
You're in drive right now.
I was in drive. That's what I'm saying. Like, it's weird. Like, I should be moving.
But it's acting like you're in neutral.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
And I don't know what's going on, but I'm still trying to figure out the issue now. So the more I find out, I'll let you guys know. Like, usually, this is weird. Like, I never experienced this before. Like, the car is in RPMs, like 3,000 RPMs, and staying at 60. The only reason that's 60 is that I was driving fast, but as y'all can see, it's going down. It's going down. I hate to say this that my track day is over, but there's no way my car is in a good condition to handle this. There's no way. I'm disappointed I can't provide you guys the content that I want to give you guys, but it happens. At least it wasn't on the track. Yeah. It happened after a track day, so.
So what, now we wait a couple of minutes?
Yeah, like that's how I'm moving, guys. Like, so I have to wait. I turned the car off, and then I started back up, and for some reason, from park to drive, it get back into gear. I don't know, it's my transmission, is about to take a crap on me, which that's what I'm thinking it is, or I don't know if it's my torque converter. Or maybe both. But see, I switched in the gear. It's not even doing it no more. I think this may be it. So this is it. I'm finally getting my car towed 1 day later. Literally 1 day later. AAA is something else. But it's going straight to the shop and we're gonna see what's wrong with it. Maybe I'm thinking about it after I let it sit and I calm down. I'm thinking the TCM went bad. I had a P0700 code on the car. It came up and then went away. So we're gonna figure out what it is though. So I'm still out here. So look, I'm not giving up yet, even though my car gone. When you have good car friends like my boy Will back here, he take me for a ride, and this time it's actually raining out here. It's not bad, not heavy pour, but it's, you know, raining just enough to affect your performance. But one thing, learning from a passenger perspective in the rain with the Goodyears, which I'll do a review on the Goodyears later, but with the Goodyear Supercar 3s, they perform pretty good. It's just on black gravel. You will have to be a little bit more careful, of course, because it's raining, but for the most part, they perform really good. Track day, even though I'm not participating as much as I would like to, the car shut down. I'll give you guys more information about that, but hopefully based on the video that I'm sharing with you guys and that you're seeing how the car was acting, that's pretty much what happened to me. And before, it's not like I did it on the track. When I experienced this, I was just going to get something to eat. Like the track was already closed. I just started it up and on my way to the final destination, it started acting like that. So this weekend been a little bit crazy. Thanks to my boy Will again, helping me jack the car up so we can pinpoint the solution so that stopped. But I mean, I'm not gonna complain about it because that's how track days work. That's how road course work, baby. So like that, I'm gonna wrap this video up. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm down and out for now, but it's all right. I'm gonna bounce back harder. So if you like this channel, if you like the content I've been providing, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.